Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about Kabasura Tulasi cough syrup. Let's see the herbal used in Kabasura Tulasi syrup. First herbal is leucas, then tulsi leaves. The important herbal is Solanum trilobatum, which is Toothvalai. Next herbal is yellow fruit nightshade, and then betel leaf as vetrillai, then Indian borage, and then the next Acalypha indica, then Alpinia galanga, then Perandai, and then Justicia adathodai. Let's see how to use cough syrup. Based upon the problem you have, you can consume 5 to 10 ml daily, morning and evening before food. We can use this from 3 months baby to adult. Let's see the uses of Kabasura Tulasi syrup. Mainly cures long time cold and cough, reduce the chest cold, and reduces the asthma problem. It is very much useful for tuberculosis problem, sinus, and the lung problem. Taking twice a time daily can reduce the digestive problem. Very much useful to reduce cough and cold for 3 months baby till adult. We are selling herbal organic product for the healthy life. For more updates on healthy tips, please subscribe to Iyarkai Iyakam channel. More information, please call the number shown in the screen. Thank you.